Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the free training feature to train your team, and I want to show you play attacking practice in eFootball 2024. Before we start, I made this video is for beginners that are still new into this game, still confusing how this game is works and how you can challenge the event, complete the mission to get ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started by tap the extras and this one, learn the match command training tab, and this one, free training tab. As you can see, there are total 7 training you can do. So the first one I want to show is this attacking practice. So this free training is to train your team, practice your team to practice this. So just free train, make a score, so you can build up your attack to practice the gameplay. Hone your skill in this training feature. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.